Nucypher is an organization that spotlights on giving information security and protection to their clients, which sort of is very huge. The organization has previously seen progress in its short presence and looks ready to for the most part go on with its development later on, or so they truly thought. The undertaking empowers clients to have especially full command over their information while imparting it to others in a protected and confidential manner generally. Nucypher can likewise especially be utilized to construct really decentralized applications that generally are somewhat more truly secure and private than those based on the Ethereum kind of open blockchain. Or so they thought. Nucypher's group generally continues to deliver new updates and acquainting inventive thoughts with the task, so it's no big surprise numerous brokers explicitly are anxious to know now what its future value and its potential greatest cost will for the most part be. We should for the most part attempt to see if we will by and large see the Nucypher value drop or ascend sooner rather than later in our Nucypher figure, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. What for the most part is the Nucypher cryptographic money, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nucypher is a fundamentally decentralized key administration framework that gives information security and protection. The organization essentially was established in 2017 by Lane Wilkeson, Michael Igorov, and Alexander Bezopasny. Nucypher generally has brought $13 million up in subsidizing from financial backers, truly like Finbushi Capital, Polychain Capital, and Metastable sort of capital. The Nucypher network comprises of 3 sections. Umbrel, a very key administration framework that permits clients to encode and decode information with the assistance of intermediary re-encryption. Hubs, servers that basically run the Nucypher programming and essentially create keys for the Umbrel framework, or so they thought. Intermediary re-encryption keys that certainly are utilized to scramble and unscramble information in the Umbrel framework, or so they really thought. Nucypher's really primary use case sort of is information protection in a kind of large manner. The organization gives a way to associations to share information without uncovering the basic information. Nucypher likewise generally offers information security as the keys used to encode and decode information fundamentally are put away on the Nucypher organization in an exceptionally huge way. Long-haul new value expectation in a genuinely enormous manner. It's difficult to make long-haul cost expectations for digital currencies that haven't broken into the standard yet, or so they most certainly thought. While certain ventures, as Nucypher, have a great deal going in support of themselves, especially numerous things can likewise basically turn out badly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Thus, we can actually fundamentally make surmises about news kind of greatest and kind of normal costs in the especially momentary in a kind of significant manner. By and large, Nucypher has obvious objectives and a guide to accomplish them for the most part. Dissimilar to numerous for the most part other correspondingly creative crypto projects, it additionally has support both from its local area and organizations like financial speculators. These are 2 out of 2 significant qualities any digital money organization for the most part needs to succeed. So we'd by and large say Nucypher is by all accounts doing great. Nucypher Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Nucypher costs expected in 2022, the truly least expensive Nucypher will for the most part be 18 cents, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The greatest level that the new cost can in every practical sense reach basically is 21 cents, or so they essentially thought. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 19 cents. New value estimate for November 2022. Having examined Nucypher costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the new rate could arrive at a limit of 20 cents in September 2022, or so they in every practical sense thought. It may, notwithstanding, drop to 17 cents in an essentially large way. For September, the determined normal of Nucypher is somewhat almost 18 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. December 2022, Nucypher value estimate in a huge way. Around mid-2022, the Nucypher cost will be exchanged at the truly normal degree of 19 cents incredibly. Crypto examiners truly expect that in October 2022, the new cost could vary somewhere in the range of 18 cents and 21 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Nucypher in earlier years, it explicitly is expected that in 2023, the sort of least cost of Nucypher will by and large be around 27 cents in a genuinely huge manner. The greatest expected new cost may in every way that really matters be around 32 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost could especially be 27 cents in 2023 and in every way that really matters, significant way. Nucypher Value Forecast 2024, which for the most part is genuinely critical, in view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Nucypher in 2024. It was supposed to have the accompanying least and genuinely most extreme costs, about 38 cents and 46 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 39 cents. Nucypher Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Nucypher and their changes during the earlier years in a significant manner. It is accepted that in 2025, the kind of least new cost could drop to 55 cents, while its certainly greatest can essentially reach 66 cents, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. By and large, the exchanging cost will especially be around 56 cents, which really is genuinely huge. Nucypher Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Nucypher by crypto specialists, the accompanying kind of greatest and for the most part least new costs are normal in 2026, 98 cents and 81 cents. Overall, it will, all things considered, be exchanged at 83 cents. Nucypher Value Expectation 2027. By and large, in spite of prevalent thinking, crypto specialists truly are continually dissecting the vacillations of Nucypher, which generally is very critical. In view of their expectations, the assessed really normal new cost will generally be around $1.19. It could drop to a truly least of $1.16. However, it actually could reach $1.44 all through 2027, which is very huge. Nucypher Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan estimates at the cost of Nucypher in spite of mainstream thinking. It by and large is assessed that Nu will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.64 and $2.01 in 2028. Its typical expense certainly is normal at around $1.70 during the year. Nucypher Value Forecast 2029, which is genuinely critical. Cryptographic money examiners are prepared to report their assessments of Nucypher's cost. As a matter of fact, the year 2029 will not entirely settled by the greatest new cost of $2.92, or so they explicitly thought. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $2.46. Thus, the genuinely normal exchanging cost especially is $2.54. Nucypher Value Expectation 2030, which truly is genuinely critical. Following quite a while of examination of the Nucypher cost, crypto specialists explicitly are by and large prepared to give their new cost assessment to 2030, or so they essentially thought. It will be exchanged for something like $3.49, with the really conceivable truly greatest tops at $4.19 in an every practical sense, enormous way. By and large, you can in a real sense anticipate that the new cost should generally be around $3.62 in 2030. Nucypher Value Forecast 2031. Amazingly, cryptographic money investigators are prepared to report their assessments of Nucypher's costs. The year 2031 not entirely set in stone by the sort of most extreme new cost of $6.16 in a significant manner. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $5.24. In this way, the normal in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost especially is $5.42. Is Nucypher based on Ethereum? Indeed, Nucypher was based on